Energy Services Drops Safety Program course. Dropped object incidents pose serious risks in workplaces, and this course is designed to guide you through understanding, preventing, and responding to these hazards effectively. Understanding the risks associated with dropped objects is critical to maintaining a safe work environment. A dropped object refers to any item that falls from height or shifts from its intended position, and even small items can cause significant harm. These incidents can result in serious injuries, equipment or infrastructure damage, and costly operational delays. Most dropped object events stem from preventable issues such as inadequate equipment maintenance, ineffective securing methods, or environmental conditions like vibration or weather. By recognizing these risks and addressing their root causes, we strengthen our overall safety culture and reduce the likelihood of serious incidents. The DROPS program is built on key principles that ensure effective prevention and control of dropped object incidents. At its core is the ability to identify and assess potential hazards through regular inspections, risk evaluations, and proactive planning. Once hazards are recognized, appropriate control measures, such as securing tools, installing secondary retention, and maintaining equipment, are put in place to prevent objects from becoming loose or falling. Equally important is education and training, which empower workers with the knowledge, awareness, and practical skills needed to recognize risks and apply safe work practices. Together, these principles form a strong foundation for minimizing dropped object incidents and protecting people, equipment, and operations. Assessing workplace risks begins with a deliberate effort to identify potential hazards that could lead to harm or operational disruption. This involves observing equipment, work areas, and job tasks, while also reviewing historical incident data to uncover patterns or recurring issues. Once hazards are identified, the next step is to evaluate each risk by considering both its potential severity and the likelihood of it occurring. By categorizing and prioritizing these risks, organizations can focus their resources on the most critical areas, ensuring that corrective actions have the greatest impact on improving safety and operational reliability. Implementing control measures. Control measures are essential in mitigating risks associated with dropped objects in the workplace. Implementing these measures involves securing equipment, organizing safety inspections, and ensuring proper installation techniques. Evaluating the effectiveness of these measures ensures ongoing safety and reduced incidents. Proactively engaging workers in implementing and refining control strategies fosters a culture of safety and continuous improvement. Regular inspections and proactive maintenance are essential to preventing dropped object incidents and ensuring a safe work environment. Effective implementation begins with scheduled inspections that consistently evaluate equipment, tools, and fixtures for signs of wear, damage, or loosened components. Maintaining detailed documentation of each inspection helps identify recurring issues, highlight trends, and reinforce accountability across teams. When deficiencies are discovered, immediate repairs or replacements must be carried out to eliminate hazards before they escalate. By staying ahead of equipment failures and unsafe conditions, organizations strengthen both operational reliability and overall workplace safety. Worker training and engagement are critical components in preventing dropped object incidents. Actively involving workers in safety practices, through open dialogue, feedback, and participation in hazard identification, strengthens their commitment to maintaining a safe workplace. Comprehensive training programs provide employees with the knowledge and practical skills necessary to mitigate risks, including proper handling, securing, and inspection of tools and equipment. By combining engagement with targeted training, organizations create a workforce that is both aware of potential hazards and empowered to take proactive steps to prevent incidents. Operating equipment or working with tools at heights introduces significant safety risks if proper practices or life-saving rules are not followed. Ensuring tools and equipment are used safely begins with secure storage. All tools should be tethered, holstered, or stored in dedicated containers to prevent accidental drops. Regular maintenance and inspections are critical to confirm that all equipment, hoists, and mounts remain in optimal working condition, reducing the likelihood of mechanical failure. Additionally, workers must be trained in proper usage protocols, including correct handling, operation, and movement of tools and equipment while elevated. By combining secure storage, ongoing maintenance, and thorough training, organizations can substantially reduce the risk of dropped objects and protect both personnel and equipment. Effective monitoring and reporting systems are essential for maintaining a safe workplace and preventing incidents. Titanium Energy Service QHSE monitoring systems involve implementing real-time tracking mechanisms, such as sensors, checklists, and routine inspections, to ensure potential hazards are identified and addressed before they escalate. Equally important are comprehensive reporting procedures, which allow workers to promptly communicate incidents, near misses, or unsafe conditions. Timely and accurate reporting enables management to take immediate corrective actions and implement preventative measures. Responding to dropped object incidents requires a structured and timely approach to protect personnel and prevent further hazards. The first priority is to ensure the safety of all personnel and secure the area to prevent additional injuries or damage. Once the area is safe, the incident must be reported immediately to the on-site representative and management, while documenting details and collecting witness statements. A field-level assessment should then be conducted to determine safe actions for continuing operations or isolating hazards. If needed, operations should be halted to allow a thorough investigation, identifying the root cause, contributing factors, and any corrective measures required. Findings from the investigation should be used to develop and implement corrective actions, including changes to equipment, procedures, or work practices to prevent recurrence. Finally, it is important to share lessons learned with all personnel to reinforce safety awareness, strengthen practices, and support continuous improvement. By following these drops-aligned steps, organizations can effectively mitigate immediate risks, maintain operational safety, and promote a proactive safety culture. Preventing real-world incidents. Safety alerts and lessons learned bulletins offer practical insights drawn from real-world events and scenarios. By reviewing past incidents involving dropped objects, we can identify contributing factors such as improper equipment use or missed inspections. These lessons allow us to implement targeted preventative measures, improving workplace practices and reducing risks. Examining safety alerts and lessons learned from actual incidents and near misses helps connect theoretical safety concepts to real situations, providing valuable opportunities for learning and continuous improvement.